All right, guys, Honey Hefe here. It's February 28th, 2026. It's Saturday. It's my wife's birthday. Happy birthday. All right, I'm out here at the cow pasture apiary. Some little game planning here. My main goal is to just pick up these jars, check on the hives, make sure nothing's knocked over, because they've been knocked over. I don't plan on diving into any of these hives. I should have brought some queen excluders out here too. I just went by the Savannah apiary to see if I left any jars out there, and I did not. But you see the second hive right here, it's got a medium brood box. And so what I'd like to do is to put a queen excluder on there to keep the queen, hopefully keep it down on the bottom, and let all that brood hatch and use that for a super. And I'd also do it for this one right here too. Not that big a deal, but I'd like to get that taken care of. So anyway, I'm just looking here at the different, let me roll the window down a little bit. Hopefully no bees will come in. A lot of activity in all these hives. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, not a ton of activity. The white, the double deep white, there's some activity there. Number 6, it's the, if I can zoom in a little bit there, that's the 4 of clubs, it looks like. I see a little activity there. Number 7, not a ton of activity. I need to replace that bottom board. I don't like it, it's kind of warped. Hive number 8, I'm not seeing, oh, sorry, let me zoom back out. So this one right here, right there, not seeing much activity there. Number 9 doesn't look too bad. It's got a jar there. 10 looks like it's got a little bit of the feed left over. So all the jars look empty except for hive number 10, which is the third one from the right. It's got 2 jars. There's 1 jar that's not empty. So looks like I'll be able to pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jars and jar feeders, which is great. But also, I brought out my battery or my solar powered electric fence charger to, I'm gonna try to put electric fence back up. Just a wire around what I already have here. And hopefully just kind of discourage the cows a little bit. We'll see. I just went by Tractor Supply. So hive number 11 right here, the 7 of clubs. That's I believe that's the one that it's one of the ones that was knocked over. I believe it's the one that I was going to break down because it didn't have a whole lot of bees in there. I thought maybe it was an abscond or a dead out, and found a small cluster, and I fed them 2 quarts or half a or 2 liters of the Naroa, and they stored a lot of it in the top box. So I'm happy to see there's a lot of bees going in and out. Of course, they could be being robbed. And like I said, I don't plan on diving into these bees today. I will put a suit on, obviously, and try to work on the fence a little bit. Let's see, I can drive around. Zoom out a little bit. really do need to pull that up. So I need to do a better job with this this fence. I have 2 post hole diggers at the house. I can't find either one of them, so I have to go buy a third one at Tractor Supply. So my garage is just packed full of huge boxes from Hilco. Just waiting for my honey shack to get ready. It's not quite ready yet. They called and told me the snow storm slowed them down quite a bit, and they had a hard time understanding what I needed, which is fine. But as soon as I get that going, I can empty my garage of a lot of unnecessary bee equipment. It'll be all my extracting stuff, which is, I got a lot. It's just taking up a lot of space. I like to unbox it too, so I'll do a video of that. But it's a big extractor, a big honey storage. I got a clarifier and a couple of honey extractors, but one of them is very big. One of them is like 32 frames big. And even though it's big, the box it's in is even bigger, so it's taking up just a ton of space. So as I'm saying all that, what made me think about that is that I can't find my post hole my pile drivers. Can't find them. I'm not sure if that's what I said earlier. I'm just kind of rambling on. All right, guys. So, I'm rambling on, but if you get a chance, go to honeyhefe.com. You can look me up on Facebook. That's Honey with a J. That's Jeff with 1 F between 2 E's. That's Hefe. Honey Hefe. Honey Boss. And this is my office.